guys? It's your boy Vay. So this is the parts car basically. This is I think day 3, day 2. So I want to start taking apart like the motor and stuff. Just taking things, anything that's connected to the motor, I want to like unplug. But I never done shit like this before, so I have no idea what to do. But I'm gonna still attempt it. I'm gonna go research a couple of videos before I touch anything. I'm gonna go get my car. It's parked down the street. I'm gonna move it like right here. But yeah, I know for sure I gotta disconnect this ground and this these hoses. That's what I know for sure, and everything else I'm gonna figure out myself because I have no idea. Take it right here. Start up and bring it back around the block. Alright, y'all, I'm on my way to go pick up my friend Ethan. He's gonna try to help me so I can have an extra hand on what I'm doing. Alright, just picked up my boy EJ. So I'm not missing the action no more, so we about to try to start taking shit apart. This is what we should start with. I need a clamp, the thing though. Right tool for that. And then we're gonna take apart.
I fucked the tool.
This plug. Is that fuck the tool? Oh yeah. See? That's already off.
I'm bothered. I don't need that. Feel me?
Battery. Bro, I don't know what the fuck to do, bro. Yo.
Take out everything, so we just go.
Might have to look up the video first. No funny shit.
Fuck it.
Wait. Hold on. Shit. I know we definitely gotta disconnect this shit. Yeah. But nah. Cause since it's OBD1, I'm still gonna be using the wires, so
I mean,
all the wires gotta come out together. So it's not. I shouldn't have to disconnect any wires. You know what I mean?
yeah, I know what you mean, but
I don't even know.
you said leave all the wires in
What's this? Could probably take this shit off. Oh, this is for the AC. And then, oh yeah, gotta take this off the ground. Alright, so we gotta start with disconnecting this ground wire from the motor. Take this shit off. So now it's definitely not gonna start up. I'll just leave that shit. Put this back on there. That's the shit for the clutch. Okay, what's this shit? Bro, I don't know what nothing is, bro.
Alright, let's look up a video, bro. Nothing.
Disconnected the ground. What's the first step? We should disconnect all the hoses. All the hoses are pretty much out though. I don't see nothing that's like. That's steel. Shut up, this is my car. this up? Word. Trying to see what matches up. I feel like there's less shit in here.
That's what I'm saying. This shit look newer and less complicated.
Oh man. Yo.
I just look. Now I used to think your shit like look busy, bro, but I'm looking at that shit like.
Nah, this shit. This is a 95. This is OBD1, so.
Yeah, I know.
But niggas said that this one is supposed to be less wires and shit. Like, it's less complicated to, like, use. I don't know, bro.
Alright.
We're gonna figure this shit out anyway.
Yeah.
This is our first time touching the engine and shit, so just bear with us, man.
This whole time we should been trying to put back together engines. You really never disconnected.
Well, I guess we're gonna learn as we go. What's this? I'm gonna edit that. Fuck, bro. I don't know what. I'm gonna call this nigga, bro.
Bro, let's go.
What the fuck this is? It went here. I think it's I don't know, bro.
He's like, yeah, we just finished disconnecting wherever the fuck this is.
Mind you, we're going back and forth with the video as we do this, so you know what I'm saying? That's some shit for the fuse box. The fuse box.
Alright, to be honest, we really doing this dolly. Fuck that video shit. I don't know why he said that. Anyway, you know, we young prodigies, you feel me? We don't need to know shit.
Oh shit. Okay, I can disconnect this. That's alright. Niggas took my extension, bro. I need an extension. That's an 11.
You actually went to the 10, huh?
Let me see the 10.
Oh, that is the 10?
Oh, hold on. Fuck. Come on, man. The fuck? We'll try that shit. It's probably a 12 if that don't fit. What kind of oil is in this bitch? Ow. This looking like my old valve cover.
Shit don't fit, nigga.
It don't fit? Alright, so get a bigger one. Go up a size. See these fresh Passport auto to manual mounts? So LS transmission. Yeah. There's a lot of oil in this shit too. Shit tripping. It fits? That's too big. I hope it's not stripped.
It fake looks stripped, bro.
I think we're making progress. We took this out. It's the turbo plug now, but I don't know what that is.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna look back at this video in a couple years and be like, what the fuck?
You know what I'm saying? If y'all need y'all motor swap, come to us. You feel me? We got you. I don't know if it'll start up, but you feel me? We got you, niggas. Let's pull up at.
You want us to break shit?
We definitely got you. But nah, man, on a serious note, this is pretty fun because we never done shit like this, but we always plan that, yo, one day we just gonna start taking shit apart, whether we fuck something up or not. And here we are. Oh, it came out? Yeah, we took out the whole radiator. Let's get it.